crop production and management. What we have already learned. All living organisms require food. The energy from food is utilized by an organism for carrying out its various life processes such as digestion, respiration, and excretion. Plants can make their own food, but animals, including humans, cannot. We get our food from plants or animals or both. Now, why do we need food? We need food because it gives us energy, keeps us healthy, and helps us to grow as well as repair and replace damaged and worn out tissues. How do plants and animals get their food? Most plants make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Animals feed on plants or other animals to get energy. Now we will discuss what is crop. When we cultivate same kind of plants on a large scale at one place, it is called crop. For example, here you can see same kind of plant is cultivated on a large scale. When wheat is cultivated on a large scale, we call it as the crop of wheat. Now, what are the types of crops? There are different types of crops like cereals, vegetables, and fruits. These crops are classified on the basis of the season in which they grow. If I consider the case of India, the climatic conditions like temperature, humidity, and rainfall vary from one region to another. So, there is a rich variety of crops grown in different parts of the country. It basically depends upon the climatic condition of the place. Now, depending on the season, there are two major types of crops: Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Now, what is Rabi crops? The crops that are grown in winter season are known as Rabi crops. For example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed, all these are Rabi crops. Kharif crops. The crops are shown in rainy season. For example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton. These are the examples of Kharif crops. Now, basic practices of crop production. Cultivation of crops itself includes several activities undertaken by the farmers over a large period, and these activities are referred as agricultural activity. In order to cultivate a crop, the farmer needs to prepare so many things, and all these activities are referred as agricultural practices. Now, what are the things come under agricultural practices? First is the preparation of soil. Next, after preparation, sowing of seeds are done. Then next is adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting the weeds, harvesting, and storage. All these steps comes under agricultural practices. Thank you.